Welcome back, everybody, and today we are looking at the Harbor Freight red, white, and blue savings up to 33% off now through July 5th. But before we get to that, I want to show you guys also going on this weekend. We got 15% off any single item July 3rd through the 5th. This is a super coupon. Limit is one per customer, and I'll let you guys read the rest of that down there. But if you're inside track, it's 15% off of any single item. But the sale starts early for members. It's Thursday, July 2nd. Really don't get why they're doing that. To me, it's no different than the other one. So you get there a day early. I highly doubt they're going to move through enough stuff. But enough of that. Let's go ahead and get started with the red, white, and blue sale. Starting off the first row, we got the Pittsburgh 2,000-pound low-profile transmission jack for $279.99. $100 off on that. That is a good deal. Next up, we got a Pittsburgh 2-ton hydraulic bottle jack, $39.99, 33% off. That is a good deal also. Next up here, we have the Bauer 20-volt cordless 18-gauge brad nailer, tool only for $79.99, $40 off. That's another good deal. And finishing off this row, we got the Bauer 7-amp, 4.5-inch slide switch angle grinder, $22.99, 23% off. Not a bad deal. Starting off this row, we got the Pittsburgh 10-ton portable hydraulic equipment jack, $189.99, $70 off. That's a great deal on that one. Next up here, we got a Doyle lifetime guarantee heavy-duty ratcheting crimper, $19.99, 20% off. That's another good deal. Then we got the Badlands 60-inch farm jack, $79.99, $30 off. That's another good deal. And finishing off this row, we got the Bauer 12-inch 1.25 horsepower disc sander for $169.99. $30 off. That's a great deal on that. Starting off this row, we got the US General 27-inch by 22-inch roll cabinet, $359.99, $40 off, and it's available in all these colors. Next up, we have the premium wide mouth pressure washer foam cannon for $29.99, 14% off, just below our threshold, but I would snag it if you do need it. Then we have the 4-gallon backpack chemical sprayer for $39.99, 16% off. Finishing off this row, we got the Storehouse 11-inch cable ties, 100 pack, your choice of color, $329, 15% off, and you get those in white or black on those. Starting off this row, we got the Warrior 6-inch, 9-inch general purpose bimetal reciprocating saw blade set, 15 piece for $12.99, 13% off. That's an alright deal. It's under our threshold of 15% though. Next up here, we got the safety glasses available in 3 different colors, clear, smoke, and yellow for $149, 25% off. Absolutely no reason to protect your eyes when they're this price. Then we got the Hercules 4.5-inch bimetal hole saw, $22.99, 14% off. Below our threshold once again, but if you need it, snag it. Finishing off this row, we got the Avante airless paint, primer, and stain sprayer for $199.99, $50 off. Starting off this row, we got the McGraw 21-gallon, 175 PSI, oil-free vertical shop auto air compressor for $239.99, $30 off. That's an alright deal. Then we got the Hercules 15-amp, 66-pound, 1.25-inch hex breaker hammer with maximum vibration control. You're looking at $529.99, $120 off. That's a good deal. Next up here, we have the Hallmaster 1,467-pound capacity, 2-inch by 20-foot E-track ratcheting tie-down, $799, 33% off. That's a great deal. And finishing off this row, we've got the Braun 750 lumen rechargeable ultra compact magnetic LED floodlight. Your choice of colors of these 4 for $23.99, 20% off. That's a good deal. Starting off this row, we've got the Hercules 4-amp 1.25-inch die grinder for $59.99, 14% off. Next up here, we got the Quinn lifetime warranty electronics repair kit, 87 piece for $29.99, 25% off. Not a bad deal at all on that. Next up is a Hercules 4.25-inch 24-tooth general purpose saw blade. This one's going to be $9.99, 23% off. That's a good deal on that. And then the last thing we got here is a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty number 1 by 3-inch Phillips screwdriver, $1.49, 25% off. Can't really pass that up for a good screwdriver. And there you have it. There's the Harbor Freight red, white, and blue savings that are going on now until July 5th. And I gotta say, what a disappointment. All this is super coupons and instant savings mixed together on the sales that are already going on. Really, Harbor Freight, you couldn't come up with something different for the holidays besides just combining two of your sales together? The only positive I can say about this is any of the items that are on the instant savings, you could use this 15% coupon off. Wow, that's about the best I can come up with this. So there you go. I'm kind of disappointed in this sale. I mean, I don't even want to say I want to get anything out of this because of stuff we already went over. Leave a comment down below on what you think. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there I do have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God. And I'll see you all on the next one.